Do you have stylish knit camisole tops in your DIY clothing collection? Hello, my name is Sunju and welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. In this channel, I transform old clothes into trendy styles, so subscribe to my channel to see more fashion-forward upcycle clothing projects. Also, check out my website to see tons of easy ways to upcycle clothing using thrifted clothing, vintage clothes, and leftover fabric scraps. Today, we're going to refashion camisole tops into brand new looks. In this tutorial, you will learn to make 4 designs: PEPLUM silhouette, pearl shoulder straps, one shoulder with sheer detail, and scallop hemline. I'm super excited to share easy sewing tutorials with you, so let's get started! For this DIY PEPLUM Cami tutorial, start by laying the top flat. Measure 8 inch up from the hemline, which goes to the narrowest part of my waist. Draw a straight line across and cut. To make the peplum piece, measure 4 inch up from the hemline. Draw a straight line across and cut. Then, cut open one side seam of both pieces. Attach one side together to make the peplum piece. To make ruffles on the peplum piece, adjust the stitch width and sew a straight stitch along the top edge with loose tension. Pull the back thread to manually gather the fabric and create shirring. Reattach the other end of the peplum piece by using overlock stitch along the side seam. To attach the peplum piece to the bodice, slide the ruffle piece into the top piece with the right side facing each other. Overlock the waist seam to attach the pieces together. To make eyelet trim shoulder strap, prepare 2 13-inch long pieces of eyelet trim. Cut up the original shoulder strap and replace with the eyelet trim. Top stitch to secure the new eyelet shoulder straps in place to finish the DIY PEPLUM Cami top. For this DIY one-shoulder shirred cami, start by laying the top flat. Use a seam ripper to remove the neckline binding from the center to the side seam only on one side. Draw a straight line across. And cut to make a new neckline on one side. Cut off the one shoulder strap in the front and back. Slide the binding to reattach the new neckline. And top stitch to secure. To make side shirring, flip the cami top inside out. Cut two 12-inch long pieces of 1/4-inch wide elastic band. Pin the elastic along the side seam underneath the armhole. Stretch the elastic until the hemline and top stitch along the side seam to finish the one-shoulder shirred cami top. For this DIY pearl strap camisole, I chose two different sizes of pearl beads to make the new pearl beaded shoulder strap. You can do the same as I did or keep the pearls all one size. To make the pearl shoulder strap, cut the pearl string and group the different size beads together. Use a clear beading thread and slide the end of the string through a beading needle. Interchange between a large pearl and small pearl until you reach the end of the new shoulder strap. To attach the pearl strap to bodice, hand sew the strap on the front and back to finish the DIY pearl strap cami top. For this DIY scallop hem cami tutorial, start by laying the top flat. Measure 8" up from the hemline. Draw a straight line across and cut along the line. To make a scallop hemline, prepare 1 inch by 30 inch piece of fusible interfacing. Use an iron to attach the interfacing along the wrong side of the cami top hemline. Draw a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch scallop shape on a piece of paper. Copy the scallop shape pattern onto the interfacing. Use a sharp scissors to cut along the scallop outline to finish the no-sew scallop hem cami top. Thank you so much for watching. Hope these cute camisole tops inspires you to add more upcycle pieces to your DIY wardrobe. For a detailed guide, follow the step-by-step picture instructions on my website. You will see a link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your Refashion camisole tops with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. What DIY project do you want to see next? Share your ideas in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!